On this video, I'm going to do a Black Volcano pizza review. And that starts right now. Hi guys, it's me again, Sofea, and welcome back to my channel. And today, I'm going to do a Black Volcano pizza review. So this is the box. And this one is the a la carte one, and it's 39 ringgit 90 cents. Yeah. So this is the box. This is what it looks like. So today I'm gonna review about the Black Volcano pizza, which is this one. Yeah. So let's take a look on the inside. Look at the pizza. There. Doesn't that look good? Yeah, so this is the pizza. Wow. The crust is black. Whoa, the cheese. Look at the cheese. Cheese has, look, there's lots of cheese in there. And look at the toppings. Can you see the toppings? There's some like chicken there, maybe like a tomato, and lots of cheese. And more. Whoa, look at the sides. It's like round shape, and it's like cheese lava or something. No wonder it's like called Black Volcano Pizza, because it's like a volcano rough thing, but it's cheese lava. It looks cool. I kind of like the name because it's like really cool. So let's try it because it looks so good. It's adorable. It looks so adorable actually. I want to take the sides first. Just a second. So this is what it looks like. I took the side. Just oh no, my bad. Enough. Yummy! It's actually really good. It's cheesy. I like it. I really like it. Cheese is so good. The bread is soft. I like it. And has a bit crispy in it. Yeah. It's nice. I really like it. And what's cute about it, this side, the pizza, the sides is like mini volcanoes surrounding the pizza. It looks really cute. I really like it. Take one more. Okay, so I'm going to take the pizza. And the crust, look, it's black. You look at it, it's black. Not like ordinary pizza. Like ordinary pizza, it's just the crust is white. This one is black. I don't know if they use charcoal or just black food coloring. It looks just normal. But what it makes it look like special is the crust. The black crust makes it look really wow. And what's special about it, because the sides has like mini pots that has like cheese inside it, and the cheese, it's salty. It's like cheese. I like it. So let's taste it.
Yummy.
The crust is soft, but it's a bit thin. But I like it. I like the taste. The cheese tastes yummy. It's perfect. And I review this based on what I taste for me. And I can taste a bit of spice. That is really good. I like it. And when I saw the cheese, it was like, wow. It is really good, actually. I really like it. And I bite. Oh wow. The chicken is really crispy, like it said on the paper that says the Black Volcano Pizza. And it's really crispy. I'm not kidding. Look, it's crispy. Crunchy and crispy. Just how I like it. And the taste all blend together and I really like it. It's so good. I like the sides because it's like mini pots or volcano like that. So adorable. Mozzarella cheese. So cute. It looks like a volcano, like really small volcanoes, the sides of like maybe like a volcano land or something. I like it. It's really yummy. And the toppings, if you look at the toppings, it's just simple, but it's delicious. The toppings is like the tomatoes, cheese sauce, more cheese, some tomato sauce, chicken, and like onions. Maybe is there more? Yeah. It looks simple, but I like it. My mom and dad would like it too. I'll finish this slice and yeah. I'm gonna save that for later. Overall, I really like the pizza. All the toppings, the cheese, the crust blends in together. It's yummy. And I'm gonna give it about 8 stars. Okay guys, I think that's all for today. I'm gonna continue eating with my family after this. Okay guys, that's all for today about Black Volcano Pizza review. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe, like, and share, and comment on my YouTube channel. That is Sofea channel here and here. And don't forget to follow my Instagram. That is Sofea, here and here. Okay guys, bye!